Hi folks, this is Derek Comengore with BI Voyage. In today's demo, I'd like to show you some rich, easy to build mobile dashboards and visualizations. In this case, I'm going to be using Roambi and their Apple specific line of data visualizations. In today's demo, you're going to see one of those visualizations, which is called the card decks. The card decks is a very nice, easy to use data visualization when you have multiple attributes and members that you're looking at. In this case, it's stores. So if we want to look at all of our stores, in this case reseller stores, and a couple key metrics by all of them, the card decks is a nice, easy to use visualization, both from a development as well as a consumption standpoint, to get some nice, rich mobile insight into that data. So here in front of you, you see the card decks, the sample card decks. On the top red tab is the type of reseller that the stores belong to, and then if we scroll back far enough into this, we'll eventually get to the next reseller type, and there are quite a few stores, mind you. This is actually using AdventureWorks retail sample data. So if you're familiar with AdventureWorks, it is a fictitious business and data that Microsoft commonly uses. And right here, value-added reseller. So value-added reseller is the second type of reseller that AdventureWorks has and does business with. Now, we can scroll through each one of these stores individually. So this is very nice, intuitive navigation that you're seeing here. But what's even nicer is if we double-click on one of these tabs, when you're actually using the iPhone itself, you'll just simply double-touch the card of interest to you, or in this case, the store of interest to you. And then we very easily can see some measures and key insights regarding that specific store from a reseller perspective, which is how we view these stores as AdventureWorks corporate. In this case, we're looking at our resellers' sales, the sales amount, and the units that they've shipped. So in general, how performant and effective is a particular reseller for AdventureWorks for us. So we can, we get a nice readout here, and we can see a nice line chart of both the key measurements. But it still doesn't really break it down and make it very user-friendly. If I simply click on this plus sign, then we get a nice overlay here of the line chart, and we can very easily start sliding this slider over, and we can start breaking out the measure by month. So we can see that in May, for example, Affordable Sports actually sold around $53,000 worth of AdventureWorks product. Pretty good month. But we can also see that after about June, in fact starting June and going on through the rest of the end of the year, this reseller was very ineffective for us. So not a real good result on this particular reseller. And certainly you'll see that the units correspond with the sales amounts, and that we see when we look at their performance across quantity ordered, units shipped, that it's actually very similar, of course, because as they're shipping the product, they're doing both units and the sales that go with the units. Now the key capability of this, what makes this really easy to build, is behind the scenes here I have a sample OLAP cube, if you're familiar with cubes. I also have a data warehouse. So I have some existing BI investments already made in AdventureWorks, and so I'm just leveraging those existing investments and extending their ROI by bringing them out here to the mobile space, in this case with Roambi and their tool set. So I hope you've enjoyed today's quick demo on mobile analytics with Roambi and Microsoft BI in general, which is where the data came from, a Microsoft Cube and data warehouse. For more information on BI Voyage, please go to www.bivoyage.com or .net. They go to the same place. And if you'd like to contact me directly, please feel free to do so. You can reach me at Comengore, C-O-M-I-N-G-O-R-E, at bivoyage, B-I-V-O-Y-A-G-E.com. Thank you for your time and have a great day.